Hey there, Disney fans! If you're planning a road trip, a flight, or just want to watch your favorite movies without worrying about Wi-Fi, downloading on Disney Plus is a game changer. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to download movies for offline viewing. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the Disney Plus app installed on your device. Head to the App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android devices, and download it if you haven't already. Once that's set up, open the app and log in with your Disney Plus account. If you're not subscribed yet, you'll need to sign up. It's worth it for all that magical content. Now, browse through the library or use the search bar to find the movie you want to download. For example, let's say you're eyeing The Lion King. Once you're on the movie's page, look for the download icon. It's usually a downward arrow in the details section. Tap that icon, and you'll get options for download quality, like standard or high definition, based on your subscription plan. Choose the one that suits your needs, then hit download. The app will show you the progress, so you can keep an eye on it while you do other things. A few tips to remember. Make sure your device has enough storage space, as movies can take up quite a bit. Also, downloads expire after 30 days or once you've watched them, so plan accordingly. You can always delete and re-download if needed. Once the download is complete, head to the Downloads section in the app. There, you can play your movie offline anytime, even without an internet connection. It's that straightforward. There you have it. Now you're all set to enjoy Disney classics on the go. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you. Or should I say, the magic.